How to change your YouTube channel name on iPhone. Thinking of rebranding your channel? Here's how to change your YouTube channel name using your iPhone. Open the YouTube app on your iPhone and ensure that you're signed in. Tap on your profile icon on your bottom right corner. Then select your channel from the drop down menu, or you could just tap on your name. Tap on edit channel, which is the pencil icon. Then tap on your current channel name to edit it. Enter a new desired channel name and tap save to apply the changes. Your channel name has been updated. Remember, it may take a few moments to reflect across all the platforms, but it will be quick. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.